here I am, back in the bathroom. Thought I'd give you a little different perspective this morning. Shower curtain. So, how was your weekend? How's your skin? Any breakouts? My skin is feeling fantastic. Really, like, it's feeling so good that I really am getting dry lips, drier than normal. And I'll be taking care of that as well. My normal go-to is any chapstick that somebody gives to me for free. Usually I have about 5 of them or 10 of them in my possession, but don't know where any of them are. That's how I do my lips. Kind of like how I did my face. So, this morning I took a shower. This is my wet hair after the shower. And I did wash with my cleanser. Having word retrieval, I think I have word retrieval problems first thing in the morning. Anyways, cleanser, face, delicious. Don't use a washcloth. Put it directly on your face. All over. It's pretty amazing. Okay? Second thing is the toner. We did this last night on our video where we used toner before I put on the cream. And I want to say, welcome to our Made for YouTube video. I forgot this is on YouTube, so thanks for coming over to YouTube to find us, and this is where we'll be. So subscribe, click subscribe, and you'll get a notification whenever we do one of these fantastically informative videos. Okay, so toner. Last night we were a little too close. I felt like I got shot by toner because I had 2 shotguns in my face. So I'm going to take this toner and hold it out here and give a good spray. And that felt, well, since my hand was off to the side because of the camera, it was concentrated on this side, so I'm going to do just a little one over there. Now I feel even. It's an even amount of coolness on my skin. Toner tightens up your pores after your face is clean so that when you put the cream in, the cream doesn't go in and cause zits. No, I just made that up. Anyways, toner is to like tighten you up, and it's a good base to absorb the day cream.
Yes.
I also just made that up.
It preps you for hydration.
Ah, here we go. Toner preps you for hydration. Now I know. Then is the serum. Haha, fooled you. This isn't the serum, is it? The serum is in a little green bottle. So the little green, again, less is more. Always less. Can you see that?
Yep.
That's like 1 pump. That was 1 pump slow down for your observance. Going up, being gentle. I don't have a headband. If you ask me, this is really not very much. And let's talk about the price of this. So, normally, this is it's a steep purchase. I'll just tell you, $200 for your face. I understand. That sounds like a lot. I'm getting the cue cards from off screen to tell me what I was already going to say. So $200 does seem like a lot of money to throw down on your face, but really, it's an investment in you. You're investing in your skin. I know you've spent $200 on other people. Why won't you spend it on yourself? Well, guess what? In January, you don't have to spend that much because On top of a 25% discount, there's an additional 15%. So whatever the numbers, we start at this whole regimen, 200 plus a little bit. It's about 202. With the discounts, you can now get this whole system for $146. A little bit less, round it up, 146. Also, do you just want to have a clean face? Boom. Buy the cleanser. Then do your thing. The cleanser is not $144. Each one of these products actually is available for purchase separately. So you could have a serum. I don't know why you would have a serum by itself, but you could have a day cream. You could get the toner. I'll tell you what, that rose water toner that I just use saves my life on a regular during the summer with sunburn. Yes, I should be better with sunscreen, blah, blah, blah. I put the sunscreen on, I'm out for 8 hours. I'm not so good about reapplying. So, in comes the rose water. Whoosh. I know it does nothing for the skin cancer cells, whatever. I'm just talking about the pain of the sunburn and the bright redness of the sunburn. The rose water is like a fire hose. Dousing the fire on your face when they should be in Australia. But there's no water. There's no hydrants. You know what? It's a dire situation over there, and I'm so sad I brought it up. Let's think about my face. So it's looking so much better, and feeling really good. Last thing I have to do is my day cream. So back to the investment. Are you worth $144? I think you are. I thought I was, because I did get mine at a discount too when it was on sale in June. And I've been waiting until the perfect time to share it with all my adoring fans. Please excuse the bangs. They're nose and mustache. Always forget those places. Also, applicator keeps the goo off your hands. And I would like to rub up. You want to rub up. You want to go against gravity, because gravity is a bitch. Bring you down at every possible second it can. Did you get that? It's a joke. Gravity joke. Science joke. Look at that. Got my neck and I'm going up. Shelly, that was for you. And here's my little chinny chin chin. Who says, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin? It's little piggies. Now we go under here. And we do the eyelids ever so gently so you don't rupture any eyeballs or any capillaries or any veins. Okay, I think we've had enough frivolity this morning, and I should go to work. Well, this is really fun, and I really appreciate if you're watching me, even if it's just for the comic relief. But one of these days, my message is going to get through, and you too will want a Youology solution.